guys, with the channel.
What do you have there, Avery?
Jana.
Diana.
I want to come here. Here. See? Jana toy.
Oh, Diana toys.
It's for the glasses. It's my bag. Oh well. I need to open it.
Okay, come on. I'll help you, baby.
Oh, use the water. That's a magic one. Look, it's a...
What is that? It's a brush?
Yes.
Oh, wow. It's very nice, huh?
It's a ball with a Minnie Mouse.
It's like Minnie Mouse. Okay. You want to comb your hair?
Yes.
Well, comb your hair.
Like Jana.
Like Diana, yeah. Wow, you look pretty.
There.
What else do you have there?
That's glasses.
It's glasses. You want to try it on? Wow.
Like mommy?
You like mommy, yeah.
Oh no, like daddy.
Like daddy, yeah. Wow.
Mommy?
You look cute. How about the other one? What do you have there?
Sticker.
It's a sticker.
Oh, let's put my bag here. Under my phone.
I want to see the phone. Will you call Andre? Call Kuya.
Hi, Kuya. With my Andre? Yes. Thank you, Andre. Goodbye. Andre will come back.
Andre will come back. Okay.
You will say Andre is nice. I want to come on here. There. I like it. Let's check one. Bubbles! Bubbles! That's a bubbles.
There's no bubbles.
Like Minnie Mouse, me. I'm going to put there.
Okay.
And like,
Put everything. Avery, put everything in there, baby. Oh.
okay, mommy. And my phone. And there's my sticker. With my sticker and with my glasses. Oh, where's it? Oh, and there. Here. My brush. Here. Close. Oops. See? And close it. Wow.
Go.
Bye, guys.
Are you going to school? Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye, Mommy.
Bye. You going to school?
Yeah. Like Andy.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.